We are going to start this project out by painting the word hello with our brown metallic paint. This might take you 2 coats. Next we'll grab our floral stems, so take the eucalyptus stem and your wheat and arrange them so you like them along the side of the round. Once you've got them where you like them, you can glue the 2 stems together to keep them in place. Next up, you'll take your piece of leather. You'll leave about 1.5 inches off the top. You'll put a little line of glue and you'll put the leather on top of that glue. And then you'll take the remaining leather and you'll wind it back up to the top of the flowers. Once your 2 strips of leather meet at the top, you are going to secure it in place by tying a double knot. And then you'll trim the ends. Our next step is to glue the floral stems onto the board. So first you're going to want to fluff it and bend it to fit the shape of the board. Then you'll apply a little bit of glue right between where the wood meets the white on the board and tuck the end that you wrapped in leather on top of the glue. Then if you want a fuller look, you can grab an extra piece of your eucalyptus and tuck it up along the top of the flowers. You'll add a little bit of hot glue along the edge again, and then put your eucalyptus stem on top of the glue. And our final step before displaying it is to attach the word hello to the board. So use hot glue, apply it to the back of the word hello, and then place it on your board.